Welcome guys to Crypto 246. Today I'll be showing you Netso Exchange. Now this is an exchange where you can purchase crypto from the Caribbean. So I'm located in the Caribbean. This is one of the exchanges that we use to purchase crypto with. Now a lot of exchanges out there don't allow you to purchase crypto from the Caribbean. So this is one that works. Once you live inside the Caribbean, this is one that works for you. So all you will need to do is sign up, fill out the KYC form, which is like get to know your customer. So once you fill it out and stuff and get verified, then you will be able to purchase crypto. You can use a credit card or a debit card to purchase your crypto with. Now when you come to the exchange, the first thing you'll see, you'll click on my dashboard. Then you can see your portfolio balance. You can see your credit line, and then you can see interest earned, and then you can see your loyalty level. Now in order for you to upgrade your loyalty level, what you will need to do is you will need to purchase Netso tokens. So if I click on upgrade, you can see that I would have to purchase, you will have to buy 0.57 Netso to upgrade to the platinum. So when you click here too, this shows you all the different borrowing rates, the earning benefits on your different loyalty levels. So you can see the difference here on your different loyalty levels. This also shows you too the amount of cash back that is earned whenever you make transactions on the crypto site net. One of the main reasons why I use this exchange too is because this exchange is one of the cheapest one on fees. When you're purchasing with your card, the fees are very low. So when you purchase Netso with your credit or debit card, the fees on purchasing the crypto is very low, and also withdrawing the crypto, let's say to someplace else like your external wallet or to another exchange, is very low. What I would recommend is that you always keep your funds in your own wallet instead of leaving them on crypto exchanges. Basically in crypto, it's best to have your own funds secured your own, because if you, let's say you leave your funds on Netso, and then let's say tomorrow you wake up and Netso is gone or shut down, or whatever the case may be, at the end of the day, there's no guarantee that you will be able to get back your money. So it's best to withdraw your money off of exchanges and keep it in your own wallet. Now they have different types of wallet, like a hard wallet or a hot wallet. So you'll have to decide which type of wallet you want to own. Going back up to the top, you can see we have market. This is where you will come and look at all the crypto that you would like to purchase. So let's say if you want to buy Sol, which is Solana, you'll click on swap, and you can see buy with Visa. You hit sell or swap. So we'll hit on swap if you already have tokens purchased already, and you would just, let's say I have Cardano and I want to swap it for Solana. You would just click the amount that you want to purchase, like let's say 25%, 50%, 100%. It will swap, and then also you will get a cash back included in that swap. So my cash back is 0.25 in Sol cash back. Now another thing also too, when you're on Netso, when you scroll down to the bottom, if you do not have hide zero balance on, what would happen is you would just see all the assets starting with Bitcoin and working its way down, and then you will have to scroll through all these assets to find your assets. So my suggestion is to turn on hide zero balance. You just click here, turn that on, and then all of your assets will be here to the top. And then when you want to make a withdrawal, all you need to do is click on transfer, or you could do click on manage wallet, hit manage wallet, Then come to the top, hit transfer, hit withdrawal, and then you will select which token it is that you want to withdraw. So after selecting which token you want to withdraw, you hit select destination, hit external wallet. Now I already have the address here that where I will withdraw to, so I could just select the network that I want to withdraw on, this Cardano. So all you will need to do now is just type in the amount of Cardano that you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw 50 Cardano. As you can see, the network fee. You can see the network fee is 17,868, but as you can see, it says will be paid by Nexo. So I will get the full 50 Cardano, and I will just click withdrawal, and it will withdraw. But I don't want to withdraw right now, so I'm gonna hit cancel. Also too, you can go here to see the transactions, and this will show you like your interest, the interest earned for the day. Because whenever you have tokens sitting in Nexo, you can earn interest. So you could click on interest here, and you could see the different interest that you have earned on your tokens. So when you scroll down, you can see your tokens, and when you're looking at your tokens, you can see the amount of interest that you can earn on your tokens based on your loyalty level. So let's say we click on Cardano. So right now I'm earning 4.5% on my Cardano, and if I want to carry up the amount of interest that I earn, I will have to upgrade to platinum level. Also to have earning kind to get up to 1% bonus.